Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about prepositions. Overview. A preposition is usually a short word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. If I'm not mistaken, her birthday is in May. The preposition in is used in the sentence to link the noun May to birthday. Her birthday. Note that prepositions do not change their form. Have a look at the example over here. I want what? To go. Where? To the movies. Meaning that I had a desire to go to the movies. Now, prepositions can consist of one, two, or more words. Have a look at the examples below. Josh went to the club instead of studying for his exam. There was a huge traffic in front of us. Now, prepositions can be divided into the following categories. A. Prepositions of place state the position or location of one thing with another. Have a look at the example below. Kate works at Starbucks. The preposition at tells us where Kate works. B. Prepositions of time denote specific time periods. For example, we usually go to our relatives at Christmas. Christmas is a specific time period, and at is used to denote this time period. C. Prepositions of direction or motion indicate movement from one place to the other. As in the example below, there's a great pub across the street. The preposition across tells us where the pub is and how to get there. D. Prepositions of manner express the manner in which something is done, as in the example below. You can't achieve success by doing nothing. The preposition by expresses the manner in which success is achieved, and it's not by doing nothing. E. Prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason indicate why, what for, or because of what something happens. Have a look at the example below. She couldn't attend the meeting due to some family issues. Now, the prepositions due to tell us why she couldn't attend the meeting. Now, let's review the use of prepositions and practice a bit. Remember that prepositions of place state the position or location of one thing with another. Read the following sentence and underline them. My sister lives in Oklahoma, but she is planning on moving to California. In. Also remember that prepositions of time denote specific time periods. Read the following sentence and underline them. I drank a cup of coffee in the morning and one more at noon. In. At. Note that prepositions of direction or motion indicate movement from one place to another. Read the following sentence and underline them. She was the person to work at Christmas or at Thanksgiving. At. Note that prepositions of manner express the manner in which something is done. Read the following sentence and underline the preposition of manner. Anne usually goes to work by bus. By. Also note that prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason indicate why, what for, or because of what something happens. Read the following sentence and underline the prepositions of cause, purpose, and reason. I want to go to the fish market to buy something tasty for breakfast. 2. Here is a short story using prepositions. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. What do you do for fun? I usually hang out with my friends. Sometimes we go to the movies together. Sometimes we throw parties at someone's place. And you? That sounds cool. Well, I moved to the States in May, so I haven't really made new friends yet. All my friends are back home. Why don't you come over? I think you'll like my friends and they'll like you. Oh, that would be great. Now, it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following text and underline the prepositions. He pointed his finger in friendly jest and went over to the parapet, laughing to himself. Stephen Dedalus stepped up, followed him warily halfway, and sat on the edge of the gun rest, watching him still as he propped his mirror on the parapet, dipped the brush in the bowl, and lathered cheeks and neck. Stephen stood up and went over to the parapet. Leaning on it, he looked down on the water and on the mailboat clearing the harbor mouth of Kingstown. Ulysses by James Joyce. And now, let's check your answers. In friendly jest. 2. The parapet. 2. Himself. On the edge. Off the gun rest. On the parapet. In the bowl. To the parapet. On it. On the water. On the mailboat. Off Kingstown. Thank you for watching this tutorial.